Alright guys, back on the 1983 Honda Big Red. In our last video we brought home this one and that one. We got this one up and running, and since that video I've done a little bit of work to it. I've got this headlight guard off the parts machine that's not bent, got that painted, front racks painted, got some new handlebars on it, found those on Dennis Kirk. The old handlebars were bent, so it didn't look very easy trying to straighten those. Plus I like the look of the black better. But today I got some new fork boots. This is pretty much what was left of what was on there. So I got some new ones here. Found these on Amazon. It said it was for like an 85 and up, but I wasn't really finding much for 83, so I decided I'd try these. It looks like they'll work. So I think we gotta take these bolts out here, and this front end should drop down. We can slip the new boots on, so let's give it a shot. Okay, got this dropped down. The brake cable, I just undid it up here at the handlebars because otherwise it gets really tight. So yeah, it dropped down. There was a little bit of water in this one, so probably just put some oil or grease down in there. Yeah, that's what it looks like. I'll end up doing front bearings on this one eventually, but I just want to get these boots on for now. So yeah, this might be, I'm gonna go ahead and clean up these forks too. Looks like there's some corrosion on there. And I'll take a wire wheel or something to that. Alright, took a little persuasion, but you can see we'll be able to get that bolt in now. I'll just take a screwdriver in there and get that lined up. Alright, got our bolts back in, and now we'll just use some black zip ties to get these boots secured. And this has to go over this bolt, so we'll stretch that over. Something like that. The metal clamps are just too far gone to save. So these black zip ties will work fine. All right, and that's what it turned out like. Not too bad. All right, thanks for watching.